Good morning, everybody. So I put a poll out yesterday. Where do you guys think that the Bank of Canada is when it comes to either a rate cut next month or a rate hold? Came in 50-50. Personally, I think they're going to do a rate hold just to sit back and keep an eye on the economy and see what's going to go on with these tariffs. They might skip this one, but they're still going to be cutting interest rates later on in the year. If you look at the inflation data for last month, you will see shelter cost, which is mortgage interest and rent being a product of mortgage interest, is still the highest on all of these. So they still need to get those numbers down. They also need to get interest rate down because currently it's above the natural rate of interest, which means it's still a little contractionary. That's why we're not getting those boosts in the economy from these rate cuts. Rates were way too high for too long, and they need to start bringing them down more to get them to start stimulating the economy. Even with the tariffs coming in, they still need to get these numbers in line, and they still need to focus on economic growth. We only missed out on a recession on paper because we imported a lot of people. That's the only reason why we avoid a technical recession. But the reality is we have a per capita recession and also still contractionary interest rates and the potential of a worsening economy coming from these tariffs. So eventually the Bank of Canada has to act. Do I think they're going to do the rate cut in March? I think they might skip this one, like I mentioned earlier in the video, but that doesn't mean the rate cuts are over.